Hello everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a quick junk journal tip for you all today. This is how to find very cheap closures for your junk journals. I was in the jewelry store at Walmart. I believe I've had these for a while. I think it was after last Christmas. It was a sale. And what you're looking at here is something that I found in the jewelry department. And these are actually chokers that would go somewhere. There was a picture. Let's see, it would go around your neck. You know, a regular choker that can be worn sort of like a necklace. And these were marked down from $5 to $1. So I bought a bunch of them. This one actually had two for $1. And I thought these would make fantastic closures for really cheap. So let me give you an idea. I have a journal here. Let me move these out of the way. And if I hadn't put this eyelash trim on this fabric journal, this would look absolutely beautiful. And the thing I like about these is that you can size them and make them as long or as short as you would like. So it says 12-inch choker with a 4-inch extender. Whoopsie, there's some wire in there. And I have a carousel with these little clips and little hooks, and I just have them all, sorry for my hand in the camera there, I just have them all hanging off of a carousel. That's how I store them. And I actually forgot about them. So look at how beautiful this would be as the closure. So I would just flip it around. Obviously this wouldn't be there. And because the chain is somewhat long, I can clip it as tight or as loose as I would like, and it's adjustable. So as I stuff this journal, this can grow with the journal. So look at how beautiful that is for a fabric journal. So pretty. And you could also take this here and make that into a dangle. You could it's a link chain, and if you have some jewelry pliers or whatnot, you could put some pretty things on here. There's one. I have a journal that's not, I haven't even sewn it yet, but I was thinking that this one would look super pretty. You could also make them so they just slip on and off if you wanted to do that. Of course, this one I would have to tighten, but and I'm having a little trouble because it's not bound yet, but look at how pretty that is. And this is crushed velvet, and then it has all these roses, and just, it's so pretty. I love it. One of my favorites is this one. It actually looks like it has screw heads on there, and it's sort of made out of plastic, but it's made to look like leather. So when I do my next grungy journal, this is going on there. And then I found this one. I can't see me using this one. I'm not really a girly girl with bling and stuff, but you never know. My tastes change, but I will definitely be using this fabric one. It's a kind of elastic, and I can totally see me using that for a boho journal. So there's just a quick tip for you if you like junk journal on a budget tips. Come join our Facebook group called Junk Journals on a Budget, where we share all sorts of budget tips so that you don't have to spend a lot of money to make a junk journal. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any budget tips below. Bye.